Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I will be replacing the washer jets on my Mark II Focus. It's not that they don't work, yes they do work, but I find that they are not that great. Every time I step into my wife's Mark III, I do notice the big difference compared to mine. Basically, the washer jets on the Mark III have a mist action and they spread through the windscreen way better compared to the ones in the Mark II, where you have basically 4 jets coming to the windscreen, which sometimes they don't spread as well compared to the mist action of the Mark III. So this is the reason why I'm going to upgrade them. It doesn't cost too much. And it's actually quite a fairly easy process because the washer jets are interchangeable between the two models. So now let's go and change the water jets. Now to access the washer jets, all you have to do is to remove the insulation, down the bonnet insulation, and just to remove these clips in here, which you can do easily with your fingers. So as you can see in here, these washer jets are heated. So, but you have to bear in mind one thing, is that not all cars come with heated washer jets. Some of them, I think in earlier versions of the Mark II, they were not heated. I think that was only available in the ZTEC climate packs and of course titanium or gear versions. But mine is a later model. It actually comes with the heater washer jets, but don't quote me on that. This was basically based on what I did find at the time. So because my car has the heated ones, that means I have to have the heated versions of the Mark III ones, which I got through Focus City. So here they are, very simple really. As you can see, this is a different pattern compared to, it's basically just like a vertical line that provides a much better jet. To remove and to install these, you don't really need any special tools. So basically use your fingers to unclip the insulation pad from under the bonnet, and to install these, basically what they have is this little clip. Use a flathead screwdriver where you just push this down and then you just wiggle them out like so. So this is the clip in here, you push it down and then you just push the washer jet a little bit forward. And there you go, it's out. Just be careful to remove the feeding pipe that comes from the washer bottle. And then disconnect the cable. And there you go, one old washer jet removed, and you can see the difference in both patterns, where this vertical pattern, let me focus that, the vertical pattern does create a mist effect and these ones create just a more round circular effect. The trouble with these ones here is that sometimes they can go just out of place, and as I found recently, I had to adjust the direction of the jet, which sometimes became quite annoying. Now the fit is a reversal of the removal, so just feed them here from the top. It's basically plug and play with these jets. It just, the feeding pipe from washer bottle goes in here again, and the cable goes here, and that's it. Now let's do the other side. Okay, now that the other side has been installed, as you can see in here, I'm not going to put the under bonnet insulation as yet. I'm just going to close this and test if it's all working properly. I'm actually quite happy with that. I just need to add this one just a little bit more to that side, and that's it. I'm really happy with the result. Very good spread of the actual mist pattern, and of course it can just blow a little bit over to the windscreen, but the fact is that when you are at speed, the mist of the jet itself will actually concentrate and go a little bit more towards the windscreen, which is actually really good. So there you go, there's the Mark II to Mark III washer jet upgrade. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.